How to create Amazon Kindle account. So if you want to create Amazon Kindle account, then first you need to install the application. So to install, you can go for Play Store or your App Store, and then you can search for Kindle, Amazon Kindle, and here you will have the application. You can simply install it from here, and after installing, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side. So you will have this application, right? So on the bottom right side, you will have more option. Go for that more, and then go for sign in with Amazon. So you can go for create a new Amazon account, and then you have to enter your first and last name, and you have to enter your email address, and then you have to create a password. So the password must be at least 6 characters. After entering all of your information, now you can simply go for create your Amazon account. Tap on that. So that's it. That's the way to create your Amazon Kindle account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.